Welcome to a space where calm is the luxury. This is a real-life Minimaluxe apartment, small in size but curated with intention. We're walking you through each zone, showing how design choices create both function and quiet beauty. Let's begin with the entryway. A slim console in light wood, a round mirror above it, a tray for keys, a vase with branches, and soft lighting set the tone. Warm, minimal, welcoming. Now the living space. Grounded by a low-profile sofa in a neutral tone. A textured rug anchors the room, and a boucle accent chair adds softness without clutter. The coffee table holds only a book, a candle, and one sculptural object. There's intention in the restraint. The kitchen is compact but calm. Open shelves hold fluted glasses, neutral ceramics, and wood boards, all styled but usable. Cabinets are kept clear, with a linen towel and diffuser adding quiet detail. Nothing screams for attention, yet everything feels elevated. In the bedroom, simplicity creates peace. A low bed with linen sheets in stone and white. Layered pillows. A single piece of large, abstract art above the headboard. The nightstand holds a book, a lamp, and a small bowl. This space feels like a pause button. Storage is hidden and unified. Matching bins, neutral boxes, and minimal wardrobe pieces create a sense of clarity and cohesion throughout. Every choice in this apartment was made slowly, with texture, tone, and ease in mind. This is the Minimaluxe philosophy. Less distraction, more presence. Luxury through stillness, not excess. For more quiet luxury tours and intentional design tips, subscribe to Minimaluxe Living. Your space doesn't have to be large to feel expensive. It just needs to be yours, with purpose.